In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the quick mask color on your GIMP projects. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Edit tab at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left panel, you want to select where it says Default Image. And then on the right side, if you scroll down, should be something that says Quick Mask Color. Go ahead and select whatever's in this box here. And then you can choose a custom color, and then once you're done, you can just select OK to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.